Let's prepare on the TNEB-AE 2018 Civil Engineering question paper. Question 76. The standard penetration test is most frequently used to measure the relative density of the granular soil. And this test is specially made for the granular soil to test its relative density. So normally they'll be taking the how many blows we are doing with the hammer. The hammer will be of 65 kg and the height of fall is 75 centimeters. So you can take note of this. So with this hammer they give a blow and they will measure how many blows is needed for 30 centimeter penetration. So that will be your SPT value, like that they'll be taking. Question number 77. Increase in permeability of a soil results due to change from some 4 options they have given. So first option, if you see, means it is with size of the particle, larger to smaller particles for the same void ratio. When it is from larger to small, I think the permeability won't be increasing, so that is not our option. The second step, if you go high to a low viscous fluid at the same temperature. See, in the permeability chapter, we have already discussed that what are the factors affecting the permeability. We'll be discussing some 7 to 8 factors. So in that, the one is viscosity. So always the permeability is inversely proportional to the viscosity. So here, when it is reduced from high to low, then automatically the permeability will be increasing from low to high. So option 2 is the right answer. You can see the third and fourth options also. Dry side of optimum to wet side. Actually in dry side only the permeability will be more. So when it is transformed to wet side, it reduces. So this is wrong. Fourth option, flocculated to dispersed structure. So we will be studying this in soil structure types. So in flocculated structure, it will be dry off optimum only. So in dry off optimum, we know it is high permeability. So when it is transformed to dispersed structure, automatically the permeability will be decreased only. So that is also a wrong answer. Question 78. The longitudinal friction coefficient values recommended by IRC. So normally we will be taking this value as 0.35. So here 3 options are with 0.35, okay, but the accurate answer is 0.3 to 0.35 to 0.4. Okay. Question number 79. The general requirement in constructing a reinforced concrete road is to place a single layer of reinforcement at the middle. See, this is given as concrete road. So here the reinforcement will be at the middle only. For slabs only, we will be normally taking the bottom or top. Question number 80, they have asked the formula for estimating the number of parking spaces for a car parked in 45-degree parking pattern. Okay, the answer is not given in the key also, and I have also searched the answer. I couldn't find it. If anybody knows, means you can give it in the comment section. But according to this degree parking pattern, I can tell you one thing. The least efficient and the worst pattern is 45 degrees pattern only, because it will consume more space than other degree angle parking. And the best degrees is 90 degrees, so that you can park more number of vehicles there. So this also may be asked in MCQs. Question number 81. What will be the length of transition curve of a road with radius of curvature 50 meter and design speed of 60 km per hour as per rate of change of centrifugal acceleration formula? So they have given which formula, like that itself they have given clearly. So the formula is actually L is equal to VQ by CR. So this is the formula. Here V should be in meter per second and R is also should be in meter. And C they have not given in the question. So normally the C can be taken from 0.5 to 0.8. So generally they will be taking, and the exact value is 0.6. So this will be used in most of the cases. So here let us use that itself. And V they have given in kilometer per hour, no, so it is 60 kilometer per hour. Normally to convert it into meter per second, you will be doing multiplying with 5 by 18. So 60 into 5 by 18 means you will get 16.66. So 16.66 cube by 0.6 into, and R is 50 meters. So the answer you will be getting is 156 meter. Option C is the right answer. Question 82. In the bituminous pavement, alligator cracking is mainly due to. Alligator cracking means itself it is due to the repeated stress application only. So option 4 is the right answer. 83. Lag distance is the distance travelled during the application of brakes, PIEV, overtaking night. So surely you'll be knowing that 3 and 4 won't be the answer. You may get a confusion between 1 and 2. Here the answer is PIVE, EV time only, because the application of brakes, now that time is actually denoted as braking time and this time is denoted as lag time, that is PIEV. The summation of this lag and braking as the total only will be call it as the total reaction time. So that will be normally take it as 2.5 seconds for all the problems. So here the answer is PIEV. So you may know this also. P means it is perception, intellection, emotion and volition. So these are the definition for PI, E and V. Question 84. The number of commercial vehicles passing per day to categorize it as medium traffic for group index method of the pavement design is 50 to 300. Option 4. And then fender. So fender is a marine structure to withstand vertical force, used to observe the kinetic energy, used to observe the kinetic energy of vessels, used to protect trucks carrying cargo. So actually this is used to observe the kinetic energy only. So that will be clear. And here the correct answer is of vessels berthed against a jetty. So this is the right answer, option C. Thank you and keep watching.